Hey everyone, welcome back to Portable Generator Services channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of electric vehicles and the technology that powers them. If you drive an electric vehicle, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable charging station. It's the lifeline that keeps your car running smoothly and ensures you can get from point A to point B without any hiccups. But what happens when your EV charger goes down? It can be a real headache, right? Imagine being on a long trip and suddenly finding out that the charging station you were counting on is out of order. That's where we come in. I'm here to talk about Portable Generator Services, the unsung heroes behind the scenes of your EV charging experience. Our team of experts is dedicated to ensuring that your EV chargers are always in top-notch condition. We understand how important it is for you to have a seamless charging experience. As Level 3 certified technicians for big names like Signet, BTC Power, ABB and Zorova, we've got the expertise to keep your chargers in top shape. Our team is trained to handle any issue that might arise, no matter how complex. Picture this. It's a typical day, and I'm out on the road ensuring that your EV chargers are running smoothly. Our quarterly preventative maintenance programs are a game changer. We proactively identify and address potential issues before they become big problems. This means less downtime and a longer lifespan for your equipment. It's all about being proactive rather than reactive. Now let's talk about those unexpected malfunctions. Chargers, like all tech, can have their off days, but don't worry. Our skilled team excels in swift diagnostics and efficient repairs. We get your charger back up and running with minimal disruption, so you can continue your journey without a hitch. Our goal is to make sure you never have to worry about your charging station. Sometimes, though, a charger is beyond repair. No sweat. We handle the complete removal and replacement process. Seamlessly integrating new units into your existing setup is our specialty. It's all about keeping your EV infrastructure reliable and ready for the future. But don't just take my word for it. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our impressive 4.9 out of 5-star rating, based on over 150 customer reviews. That's real people, just like you, who trust us to keep their EV chargers functioning at their best. So, why choose Portable Generator Services? It's simple. Expertise, proactive maintenance, rapid response, and a customer-centric approach. We're not just maintaining chargers, we're powering the future of transportation. Next time you think about your EV charger, remember we're here to ensure you have a seamless and reliable charging experience. Trust Portable Generator Services to keep your electric vehicle charging stations up and running, ready for whatever the road ahead holds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of EV charging. Give us a call at 954-649-7412. Thanks, stay charged, and see you in the next video.